nothing you do seems to work. I spent 15 years stretching when I was doing martial arts, and training the middle splits was a big priority for me because I wanted to be able to kick high. But the more I stretched and the harder I pushed, the more I got injured. And I really just stayed on this cycle of 2 steps forward and 2 steps back for a long time. I started to research the mechanism that was affecting my flexibility and learned that there was actually 2 inbuilt security systems at play that restrict flexibility to prevent you from getting injured. One of them ensures that your limbs don't stretch too far so you get an injury, and the other ensures you don't lift too much weight and get an injury. And I discovered that the second mechanism can actually be hacked to increase flexibility in a matter of seconds. Now, I used to be one of those trainers that thought you needed to stretch for years in order to get flexible. But when I applied this to my middle splits, I got instant results. The problem is that I couldn't keep up with 2 training sessions a day, one for strength and a separate one for flexibility. I was forced to find a better way to train, but now I get my middle split sessions done in less than 15 minutes. And now I'm more flexible than I've ever been, and I'm not stressed anymore or frustrated about not being able to get my 2 training sessions a day done. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. The first exercise you're going to do is the pissing dog overcoming isometric. The idea is that you go to the end range of hip abduction and contract your glutes hard for 10 seconds. So drive your knee into the wall as hard as you can, but do not disturb your body's position. Only the leg moves. Do 1 set of 3 reps where each rep is a 10-second contraction. As a result of this hard glute contraction, the adductors will relax and the nervous system response that would normally prevent you from going deeper into the middle splits won't kick in. The next exercise we're going to do is an active middle split. This is a loaded form of PNF stretching that builds strength and safety at your end range. Hold on to something to assist you. Bring your feet as wide apart as you can comfortably get to, and then pull your feet into the ground hard for 30 seconds so that you're contracting the adductors. Try to let go of whatever you're holding onto and rely on the strength of your legs. With each set you do of these 2 exercises, you will see instant increases in flexibility. The only way to really tell how well this works, though, is to test your passive range before you do this. If you want to learn more about this, grab the Modern Flexibility Blueprint. It's free. Just click that link there and download it now. Okay, let's talk about why this works so well. Your muscles aren't tight. That's not what's stopping you from getting deep into the middle splits. Your nervous system is protecting you from injuring yourself. The problem is, it's doing too good a job. There are 2 major nervous system security mechanisms involved in the process of flexibility development that you must understand. Each includes neurons that communicate with muscles and the muscles communicating back to your nervous system. So that, number 1, it ensures that your limbs don't stretch too far and cause an injury. And number 2, ensure you don't lift too much weight and cause an injury. Now, most protocols will help improve your flexibility over a duration of weeks and months, but the second security mechanism of making sure you don't overload muscles with excessive weight can be hacked to increase your flexibility within a few seconds. And that's what we've just done here. These concepts work really well, and if you want to do it in a real-time workout, I've made a 15-minute follow-along routine where you can join in with me in real time. It only takes 15 minutes. So just click that link there or tap your screen to join in with me in real time. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in that next video.